Hello everyone, it's Martin from JYLED. Today let's introduce you one of our rental series. This is the flexible rental LED panel. Compared to the conventional rental LED panel, they are very flexible and can be bent to many curves. Let's see the appearance first. Now you can see it's a 500 by 500 millimeter cabinets. You can see it's 4 LED modules. Each one is 250 by 250 millimeters. Its model is P2.6 indoor. Its brightness is up to 800 nits to ensure it can have a high visibility when indoor use. So now let's introduce you some details of the panel. This is the fast locks. It allows us to connect multiple panels together. Here is the handle, so it's portable for you to move the panels to another place. By holding these two handles, you can easily to change the angles and adjust the curves like this. And this part is the control box. It integrates the power and the signal. It adopts the hard connection design, so no need to wiring. This is the control card. The power supply is built in. So basically, the flexible rental LED panels are mostly used for the rental events which can make you to form many continuous curves. Like you can connect the multiple panels and make the curved video wall very easily. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you have any interest, welcome to contact us on our website. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.